Hi all, Ollie here from the Wriggly Monkey Brewery. I'm joined with Greg Thompson, head brewer, and we're here today to talk to you about Try January. Try January is the brewery's chance to explore and promote new styles and new techniques, and kicking things off with Sanction O, a 3.8 best bitter.
Yeah, so the way that we've came up with our sanction beers of late is that we've had 5 new starters, including yourself. Ollie's been here for about a year, but we've just got you into brewing now. So we've tried to celebrate our other 4 new starters with getting them to brew their best beers, their favourite style of beer. And we're just kicking this one off with the original best bitter. It's a 3.8 original bitter that has a caramel biscuity kind of notes to the malt bill, and it's just a sessionable beer. I think what came quite apparent when we were actually doing our recipe development is that it was more important for you to come up with something that was more of a session,
A social pint.
A social pint. Yeah, perfect. So it was at the pub. It was having a beer with friends and that environment. So to me personally, a best bitter comes across as being perfect for that start. So that's kind of what we got to with brewing for your beer. This was all made upstairs on our experimental kit and available this Friday, Saturday from the tap room.
Cheers.
Hope you enjoy.